How to visit Mount Etna in Sicily. Now you can't pre-book this online, so aim to arrive at Etna Cable Car for the opening at 8:30. From here you can buy your ticket up to the volcano. They even have quad tours and more here. We got tickets to go up as far as possible, which was €78. Just take your cable car for about 10 minutes. At the end there's not much but a cafe. It's a pretty good cafe though, the chips are banging, they have cannolis and even an outdoor terrace. From here you take a 4x4 bus up to 2,900 metres. The volcano had just erupted, so there was so much loose ash. After this you have to walk with your guide, so make sure to wear sensible shoes. They'll show you a few different craters. This one last erupted in 2002. This is as close as you can get for safety reasons. Our guide said it had erupted 6 times in the last month. It's definitely worth the trip up to see one of the world's most active volcanoes. Then take the jeep, bus and cable car back down and grab a pen so you can take Mount Etna off your bucket list.